Hey guys, it's Jamie here. I am excited to talk to you about changing colors in your foundation double crochet stitches. This is something that you can do pretty easily if you're comfortable changing colors in regular crochet rows, stripes, color worked kinds of things, but I'm going to talk specifically about this foundation double crochet that I've started here. If you want to slow down and watch how to make this foundation double crochet stitch, I'll be sure and link to the video tutorial for that as well. But let's pick up here and we'll change colors on our next stitch. So I like to hold my work go perpendicular when I make my foundation stitches. So for a double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, chain one, yarn over, pull through two. And here's where, just like when you're changing colors on regular stitches, when there's two loops left on the hook for your foundation chain stitches or foundation double crochet stitches, we're gonna bring in the new color here. So I've got yellow as a nice contrasting color. I'm going to put the loop around the mouth of my hook, kind of pull my stitches tight here, and I'm going to pull the new color through the two loops on my hook. Now I don't need the gray tail anymore, and I'm going to hold on to the yellow tail with my finger, kind of pinch that against my work so I can keep that tight. Kind of turns sideways again here, and we'll work the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, and the first stitch is kind of difficult to get your yarn or your needle in, or your hook into. Jeez. It's just a lot of yarn in one place, but yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and chain one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. If we turn it back this way, you can see that that is a pretty nice color change. We're gonna make a couple more stitches here. You can pull your yarn tails tighter, and be able to weave them in later, but in order to get that nice consistency in your tension. So yarn over, yarn over and chain one, yarn over, pull two through two, yarn over, pull through two, and we'll do it again. We'll do one more. Okay, and there, how I'll hold my hook out here. You can see nice, simple color change. It'll look pretty good once you get going. But this can come in really useful, or you can turn patterns and do color work the other way. So let me know what you think of this tutorial. Let me know what kind of projects you're going to make with it, and I will give you all the details down below with more resources that you can find for doing this stitch and changing colors in other foundation stitches